In this video, we are going to talk about the appeals process in criminal cases. An appeal is the process by which one party in a case can request that a higher court change or reverse a decision by a lower court.
So for example, in the case of Derek Chauvin, Chauvin can appeal to the Minnesota Court of Appeals with all the things he thinks were legal errors during his trial. To understand the appeals process, let's review the judicial system.
The Minnesota judicial system, sometimes called the court system, is composed of three major bodies. Think of it as a pyramid. At the bottom of the pyramid are the district or trial courts, which are organized by county. Each case in district court is assigned to a single judge who makes decisions about issues in that case.
The second major body within the Minnesota judicial system is the Minnesota Court of Appeals. This is the middle part of our pyramid. There is only one Court of Appeals for Minnesota, and almost all appeals from the different county courts go to this court.
People do not have to appeal a criminal conviction, but if they want to, the Court of Appeals has to hear their case.
Cases at the Court of Appeals are heard by a panel of 3 judges. These judges review everything that happened at the district court and make decisions about whether legal errors occurred that made the results unfair or the verdict unreliable. The Court of Appeals may decide that there were no significant errors that occurred and affirm the ruling of the lower court. Or the court could decide that there were legal mistakes made in district court and reverse some or all of the original convictions. Depending on the ruling of the Court of Appeals, the case may or may not go back to the district court to be retried.
After the Court of Appeals makes a decision, each party can ask the Supreme Court to review the case. The Minnesota Supreme Court is the top of our pyramid and is the highest court in Minnesota. Unlike the lesser 2 courts, the Supreme Court gets to choose what cases it hears. The Supreme Court hears the fewest cases, focusing on cases that are particularly important or that would have broad statewide impact.
We'll post updates about Chauvin's appeals process to our website, so make sure you stay connected.